Let's start with the first easier parameter, that is the fruit size. As you can see, this one seems the biggest, right? So we can consider those two fruits of big size. Those other fruits can be considered of medium size. We don't have now an example of small size, but apples that are considered small are smaller than those ones. So we have big, big, medium, medium. Then the homogeneity of the shape. What does it mean? That if we take the apple and we turn the apple, we don't have this homogeneous shape, but more or less in each part of the apple we have the same shape. So in this case, if we turn the apple, we can affirm that is homogeneous. So in this case, we will say homogeneous. In this case, you can see here the symmetry of the apple is not perfect. So if we turn the apple, maybe we can have a different shape in that point. So in this case, we can put a shape that is heterogeneous. Then third parameter, to analyze the longitudinal shape. This one is clearly similar to this form, the conical long. We have also the conical short, but in this case the shape of the apple is quite elongated, so we will choose conical long. Regarding this one, if you see the shape of the fruit is similar to the ellipsoid one, right? Not oblong, because to be oblong it has to come back inside the apple, the shape, but in this case doesn't enter again, so it remains ellipsoid. This one is quite flat on the tops, so also can be considered like ellipsoid because it's not entering again, but in respect to the other is more flat, right? So not ellipsoid like the other, but in this case globose. The last one is similar to the conical, because in this area of the apple is larger than the other part, so it's similar to this shape, is conical, but in this case is short, because differently from the other, this is shorter than this, than the star.